everyone. Welcome to the Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program. So we are happy to see you here and glad that you want to learn Google Cloud and become Google Cloud Ready. So this is a small introductory session of Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program. We are excited to see you here. Let's get started. So let's celebrate hashtag Google Cloud Ready and show off your skills that you have gained so that you can reach out to more people and show them your on-demand skills. So I'm Abhishek Tilwar and we have with us Omkar Mundada. We are official Google Cloud Ready facilitators and we will be helping you throughout the program and solving all your queries and also be tracking your progress as well. So like today's session agenda is like introduction to Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program. What is cloud, introduction to Quick Labs and how to get started with Quick Labs and the resources available to you and other tips and tricks and how you can get help from Google directly. So now it's time to introduce you to Google Cloud Ready Facilitator program. But before that, let's dive deep into why should you consider building a career in cloud right now. So as we all know, the cloud is booming technology these days and IT across the globe are shifting the traditional infrastructure to cloud. So that shift is generating a high demand of cloud engineers in the industry. So to get those industry skills, you can begin your journey with Google Cloud Ready Facilitator programs. So in this program, we have total 3 tracks. So let's look at them one by one. So track 1, we have Cloud Infrastructure track that consists of 10 quests and 8 skill batches. The next one, we have the Cloud Native Application Development track that consists of 10 quests and 3 skill batches. And lastly, we have Big Data and ML track that total consists of 10 quests and 4 skill batches. So this is what your skill batch looks like. After acquiring this, you can share them on your resumes, professional profiles, and share with your network so that you can prove your in-demand skills. So what is the difference between a quest and a skill batch? A quest batch is a collection of training labs and a skill batch is just similar to that and has an extra lab or an additional lab that's called challenge lab. So what is challenge lab? So in the challenge lab, you have all the knowledge of the all the knowledge that you have acquired from the previous quest. So finally, this is what your milestone and prizes are. So if you complete 8 quests plus 4 skill batches, you get some goodies. And for 16 plus 8 skill batches, you get more goodies added. For 24 plus 12, you get more goodies added to it. And then for 30 quests plus 15 skill batch, you get all the goodies plus a career readiness program set as well. So now moving forward, I would like Omkar to tell you more about how can you get started on the training platform called Quick Labs.
Welcome all the dear friends who have enrolled to Google Cloud Ready program using this link. Now you should navigate to check the syllabus to your syllabus link. You will find the first quest here. You need to click on the first quest, Google Cloud Essentials, to open the Quick Labs profile. Now you can see this Google Cloud Essentials web page. Now you need to sign in to your account with Google. Now, as you can see, I have signed in and you need to enroll in the quest in order to complete it. My quest is already completed, so it's showing the status as quest complete. Now we will see home page of Quick Labs profile. This is home page of Quick Labs profile. You can see various tags over here, home, catalog, and my learning. In home, you will find your ongoing quests that are available to you. In catalog, you will find all the available quests in the Quick Labs. You can check the available quests in Quick Lab here. In My Learning, you can check the recently completed quests of your along with your scores and also view your public profile from here. And it also shows your quests in progress when starting a quest. Now, as we have seen, we'll see a lab and navigate to Google Cloud Console. Now, to start the lab, just click on the lab. Now, this is what the lab instruction page looks like. Here is a navigation pane for tasks that you're performing. The middle section contains all the instructions that you need to execute while performing the quest or lab. To start the lab, you should press Start button. Use the subscription provided to you. You can check score of the task you perform over here by clicking Check My Progress. You should compulsory log in with the credentials provided here in the left pane. Now to open Google Cloud Console, you need to click this button. Now sign in page appears. Now you should compulsorily sign in with the username provided here. Click Next. Accept and confirm your account. It will take a couple of moments to load. Check the tick box of terms and conditions and click Agree and Continue. Now this is what Google Cloud Platform looks like. Here the three bars shows the navigation menu to you where all the files and storage areas are concerned with all the resources. You can also navigate. Now in this particular task is to create a VM machine. Here it is available in Compute Engine and VM instances. Similarly, if you couldn't find or navigate using navigation menu, you can search here in the search bar. Here, VM instances, it will automatically open the VM instance. Make sure that you have selected a project with your project ID mentioned here. This is similar to the project ID mentioned here in GCP project ID. Now, you can check instruction by instruction to perform the lab. You need to copy the instruction. Now, while creating the virtual machine over here, you need to create an instance where every information for creating the instance is provided. Now, suppose for name, given the lab name is here. You need to provide and paste and everything and you need to perform everything given as per instructions over here. Just need to check the proper field in front of the proper value. Now we'll see how to activate Cloud Shell. The Activate Cloud Shell button is over here. You need to click it to activate Cloud Shell. By pressing this button, the Cloud Shell activates. You need to continue. and the Cloud Shell opens up. Now to run the command on Cloud Shell, simply copy the command, paste it and enter. The Cloud Shell command executes. This is how you perform Cloud Shell. Now when the instruction says open editor, you need to click the pencil icon to open the editor. The editor opens here. Or you can navigate to it using nano or V command to open an internal shell command editor. Now, as you have seen how the Cloud Shell begins and how to perform instruction, now after completing the lab, you need to click End Lab option. This will give you a prompt to end lab. Click on OK. Give the rating and submit. Your lab will be successfully end and you will get a score here. Compulsory, you need a 100 on 100 score to get a completion tick like that to complete your lab and complete your quest. After performing all the labs and getting all the green ticks, you will get a quest complete and you will get a badge here. Go to home, click your profile icon, go to profile section. Here you can see your public profile URL as well as batches you earned. After completion of all the quests, your profile will look like this. Isn't it great to have such a good profile? To go back, simply go back. And now, if you face any difficulty while performing a lab and you need any resources, just copy the lab name. You can go to YouTube, paste the lab name, click enter. You will see many videos that provide solution for similar labs. Else, if you don't want to see video and get instruction, as you get in the instruction menu, you can do the similar thing and paste it in the Google. You would navigate to a website that would contain solution to the instructions provided by Challenge Labs. As you can see, you have all the instruction to perform the tasks that are available in Challenge Labs. Now, many students face problem that their account is blocked or their quota is expired. If you may face this problem, then simply click question mark, click Help Center, and choose one of the above options that you are facing problem with. Or you can also contact chat support in order to contact and renew your quota for the account or unblock your account. Thank you. This is how you begin the quests and perform the labs in Google Cloud. Thank you for your patience listening. Thank you, my friends.